Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you're doing great. So, we received an iMac right here. It came in with a 1 TB internal hard drive that had failed, but the owner was using the Lexa externally as a main boot SSD. So I figured that the internal hard drive is the one that has failed. So we did a swap. We removed the hard drive and we decided to install the external SSD into to be the internal one technically, and it was a success. As you can see, the operating system installation was a success, and the functionality, we tested out all his softwares and everything. It was perfectly. Luckily, he had done a particular backup, and I also helped him to do a bit of backup as well, so most of his data was safe. We tested out the performance by running his softwares like Photoshop, and it was working perfectly. The job was 100% successfully done. It had a crack on the screen, but we still did the job perfectly, and the crack did not extend. So I'll be seeing you on the next one.